Phuket is a beautiful island in southern Thailand, with numerous beaches, markets, temples, and scenic small towns to explore. Here are 10 things you can do on Phuket Island right now. Our first stop in Phuket was the Elephant Sanctuary, a beautiful rehabilitation center for mistreated elephants. The sanctuary buys out the contracts of elephants working in elephant riding camps and circuses, giving them a new life. Here they are free to roam and do whatever they want. You can do the half-day trip, where you feed them pineapples, bathe them in mud, clean them off in a pond, and give them a medicinal shower. Professional photographers are there to take pictures of you the entire time. It was a real oasis experience. Seeing the elephants up close was surreal and majestic. Before leaving, they serve you a delicious lunch. You even get a cute little souvenir canvas bag with their logo on it. Number 2, Patong Beach. The most famous beach in Phuket is Patong Beach. The beach is usually swamped with tourists, but because of COVID, it's mostly empty. This makes it a great time to come and really relax. You can pay for excursions like long-tail boat trips, jet skis, or parasailing right on the beach. Just avoid paying to sit in one of the lounge chairs laid out, as the vendors will overcharge you and give you the wrong change. Number 3, Big Buddha Temple. The most famous temple in Phuket is the Big Buddha Temple. Admission is free but donation is highly encouraged. They use the proceeds to pay for the completion of the Buddha since it is still under construction. You also need to cover up your shoulders and knees to gain admission. You can pay a tuk-tuk driver to take you up to the temple, and they'll wait outside until you are done to take you back to your hotel. The temple offers a great view of the Phuket shorelines. Be sure to take the monkey trail down when you are done. After leaving the temple, you can stop at one of the beautiful hillside restaurants. Number 4, Phuket Town. We discovered an unexpected surprise when we booked an Airbnb on the outskirts of Old Town Phuket. At $100 per week, the condo we rented cost less than the hotel we stayed at the week before, while also being much nicer. Charming little town, complete with easy-to-walk to morning street food vendors selling breakfast foods, vegetables, and fruits. Restaurants and houses are colorful Sino-Portuguese buildings lining the alleys. It's a nice change of pace if you are looking for a side of Phuket without the hustle of tourist attractions. We recommend you rent a moped for your stay in this area, as it will take too long to walk to other locations on foot. Number 5, Chiilva. Hands down the best night market in Phuket town is the Chiilva night market. It is open almost every night and frequented by both locals and tourists. There is a wide array of Thai food and snacks, as well as desserts. Young Thai people seem to be heavily influenced by Japanese culture, so you can find anything from Japanese sweets and mochi to takoyaki and sushi at the market. There is even a nice selection of model statues to browse through. With Thai pop music playing over the speakers, there is something for everyone. Chiilva really is a great place to hang out, eat some good food, and enjoy a breathtaking sunset. Number 6, Phuket Town Temple. We came across a hillside Buddhist temple, Wat Nakaram Samakkhitham. There are a variety of impressive statues you can see, including a giant gold Buddha across from the temple. Number 7, Old Town Phuket. Once you get used to driving a moped in traffic, getting there is incredibly easy. The town center displays even more of the gorgeous Sino-Portuguese architecture. While many businesses have yet to reopen, others, including Michelin Guide restaurants, are still serving customers incredible meals. Number 8, Wat Nakaram Temple. While it's more accessible than the other temples we visited, it lacks in having natural scenery. The design is still impressive, and the absence of tourists means you can have a walk around the buildings all to yourself. Number 9, Naka Market. Across the street from Wat Nakaram Temple is the Naka Weekend Night Market. It has many shops and displays, including my personal favorite, the welded statues of various Star Wars icons, Marvel heroes, and other science fiction characters. Like every other night market, they have delicious food and drinks at low prices and live music for entertainment. While this market is much larger than Chiilva overall, parts of it remain vacant due to the lack of tourism. Number 10, Central Phuket Festival and Floresta Malls. Last but certainly not least are the twin malls of Floresta and Festival in Central Phuket. Located on opposite sides of Vichit Songkram Road, and connected by a pedestrian bridge, these two shopping centers cater to different experiences. Festival is focused more on shopping for average residents, containing a cinema, multiple floors of department stores, toy stores, restaurants, and an underground grocery store. There is even a koi pond. Many restaurants on multiple floors are centered around the open-air public house, with lily ponds near the outside entrance, tables in the center for eating, and a space up front for live music and other events. Floresta, on the other hand, focuses more on luxury goods. Floresta also has an underground food hall, which contains a miniature replica of Thailand's floating markets, which we will show in a future video. There are several statues, as well as an aquarium, and a theme park under renovation. These are only a few of the places we were able to visit during our October stay in Phuket. We had a great time in Phuket overall, and we hope the lessons learned from our experiences will improve yours. If you have any questions about our experiences or what to do in Phuket, leave a comment below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.